Hey guys, my name is Rudy, and today we're going to talk about replacing this gas strut. Some of the easy steps, some of the fast steps, and some of the not so easy steps. We're going to do this one live, and we're going to see how this one works. So, first thing I want to kind of talk about is removing this little ring. That may be an issue, and it's really hard to get into. You have to get a tiny screwdriver blade, shove it in, pop it out, and at least get it out just a little bit out so you can actually get it loose. That one I've actually did for us since I'm one-handed operation here. But here's how it works. If everything works right, we shall see. So, first thing you want to do is you want to grab the strut out here. You might also want to grab the top of the car, rotate slightly, and it comes loose from the bottom. The teeth here will release it. Out goes the old one. What's cool about this is this one's got little teeth inside here, and if everything lines up perfectly, you won't have any issues. We'll see how well this goes. So, we put in the top strut, locks into place without a problem. Bottom strut, I'm going to rotate this thing all the way up as far as it goes, and I am just a hair short. So what I'm going to have to do, and hopefully I don't knock down my phone as I'm doing this, is push up on the trunk slightly, rotate it, what I said, easy or not easy, wiggle in, snap it in place. And that's the easy way and fast way of changing out your struts. To test your work, you simply operate it. So I got these from Amazon, and here they are. Both of them are locked in place. Okay, feels a little stiff. Truck locks, and it goes up. The other ones just kind of laughed at me. Now these are probably about 18-year-old struts. Anyway, if you guys have any questions or comments, we're getting things done on Rudolph the Auto Rack. Rudy's World. Till next time, take care. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. If you like the video, click the like, and if you like my stuff, subscribe. Check out all the other stuff I have on my channel. Thank you for watching.